Today, let's talk about SoFi and the incredible performance it had recently. It's been an exciting time for the stock, and there are many factors worth exploring, including the data points driving the surge, market conditions, and potential scenarios for the future. So let's dive straight into it. Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads, and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. SoFi experienced a significant 4.07% increase, marking a new 52-week high of $16.16. This achievement sets a positive tone as we approach the end of the year. While trading volume for the day was slightly below average at 47.7 million shares compared to the usual 58.7 million, the enthusiasm around the stock remains evident. Some notable transactions, including those worth over $100,000, occurred on the secondary market after hours. For instance, there was a massive trade involving 2.3 million shares valued at $38 million. Several factors contributed to the broader market's performance, which also influenced SoFi to some extent. One of the key metrics, the Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) index, was released. Month-over-month figures aligned with expectations at 0.2%, but the year-over-year rate came in slightly hotter than predicted at 2.3% instead of 2.2%. This created some headwinds for growth stocks as it lowered the probability of a 25 basis point interest rate cut during the Federal Reserve's December meeting. Despite this, SoFi showed impressive resilience and surged forward, driven by strong momentum and optimism. Interestingly, there hasn't been any major news or SEC filings directly related to SoFi during this time. The recent enthusiasm seems to stem primarily from broader market trends and a general sense of optimism. This raises an intriguing possibility. If SoFi were to announce significant developments, such as new features under SoFi Invest or other revenue-generating initiatives, the stock's momentum could gain even more traction. Short sellers also played a role in the day's activity. A total of 171,000 shares were returned, suggesting a shift in sentiment. Across the broader market, shorts were covering their positions ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday, perhaps aiming to enjoy the long weekend with some peace of mind. Currently, about 13.52% of SoFi's float is shorted, equating to 144.2 million shares. My perspective remains unchanged. Short interest is likely to decrease further into Q1 2025, potentially stabilizing around 10 to 11%. The options market also reflected the optimism surrounding SoFi. A total of $30 million in call options and $4.9 million in put options were traded, with 43% of the activity favoring a bullish outlook. The put-to-call ratio dropped significantly, indicating that many investors anticipate further price increases. Some even project SoFi reaching $18 or $19 by December 20. Personally, I've been selling $14.50 and $15 puts on SoFi. While I usually stick to weekly options, I extended my strategy into the following week, anticipating potential pullbacks. For those unfamiliar with options trading, it's worth spending time learning the basics and understanding different strategies to enhance your investment approach. Despite SoFi's current strength, the stock is in overbought territory, which means it could be susceptible to a pullback if there's any macroeconomic or company-specific weakness. However, SoFi has demonstrated remarkable resilience, brushing off potential setbacks like the PCE data. The fear of missing out, FOMO, seems to be driving significant buying interest, contributing to the stock's stellar performance. Final thoughts. The last few weeks have been a remarkable period for SoFi. With optimism driving the stock and the possibility of further positive developments, the future looks bright. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting, this is a time to stay informed and adapt to market opportunities. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.